perfect. This is going to be hilarious. Jack, don't! Emma is going to kill us. This is a really bad idea. Just keep watching. If Mom comes, tell me. Okay. Not bad. I'm actually pretty good. Wow, she really looks like a cat. Jack, she is waking up.
I'm thirsty. Let's go get a smoothie. Wait, what did you say I looked like?
You didn't say anything. You were dreaming.
Wait, I need my phone.
I'll get it.
Jack is being really helpful today. Jack, since when are you so helpful? You even got my phone for me.
I've always been helpful.
Really?
You just never noticed.
Wow. Look at those sunflowers. They're beautiful. Let's take a selfie.
Jack, don't let her take a selfie. If she sees her face, we're dead. Emma, look, a squirrel.
Where? I love squirrels. The squirrel! Come on! Let's follow it!
Seriously? We're really chasing a squirrel? Wait for me!
Oh no! A cat is chasing the squirrel.
What? Why are you laughing?
A cat is chasing the squirrel. What's so funny? What's so funny? It's just a cat.
Harvey, you're so weird.
You laughed because of a cat. You laughed too. There it is. Finally, my favorite smooth shop. Wow, I love this place.
Hi. What can I get for you?
1 strawberry smoothie, please.
I'm sorry. You look so cute today.
Cute? Well, I'm cute every day.
Oh, she means your dress looks cute today.
Thank you.
Here you go, cat girl.
Cat girl? I like that nickname.
Yeah, it really suits you.
I think so too. Really? This is so good. Do I really look like a cat?
No, I mean, just a little.
Just a little. Yeah. I like it. Wow, a cat girl. Hi. Can I be a cat too? Maybe.
Look, face painting. I want a cat on my face. Let's go. This is perfect. We're saved.
Wow, they all look so cool. I still want a cat.
This is going to work. We're so lucky today.
Next, please. What would you like?
A cat, please.
A cat. Great choice. Oh, wait a second.
Is something wrong?
I almost painted over your little cat.
The cat? Already on my face? I've had this cat on my face all day? No wonder everyone kept smiling at me. The little girl wasn't joking. Jack, did you draw this on my face?
Just a little.
Just a little?
Maybe a little more.
Can you make me the prettiest cat here?
Absolutely.
I think we're safe. It already looks much better.
Yeah, she really wanted a cat.
All done. Do you like it?
Wow, I love it. He's next. He wants a hippo.
What? No! I don't want a hippo.
Really? I'll draw your face at home.
Okay.
Hee hee. Harvey. Huh? You're next.
Me?
You want a frog.
What? Wait! Jack drew the cat on your face. Harvey!
You laughed at me the most today. I can paint a black frog on your face instead.
A black frog? Phew. I actually like my hippo. Your nose is huge. Look who's talking. You're a frog.
You two look funny.
I like it.
Relax. I'm just kidding.
You got me. Me too. Emma, now we're even.